Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, FXPipCollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro yen, I still think this is very clearly going to end up going down for a ABC of 4 before it potentially goes back up and makes a wave 5 to complete this very, very clear pattern on the monthly time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think there's a very good chance this is an A. I think this is potentially a B, and I think potentially, I mean, maybe it's not over yet, but it looks like it could be. But either way, potentially, I think it's going to go down for a C. Even if we are already starting this wave C to the downside, keep in mind this is the weekly time frame, so this wave C potentially would still take several months to play out. Going down to the daily time frame. Now, this move down that we're currently seeing possibly still could be a correction to this move up. But to me, it definitely is the area that I was targeting for a possible turn, the 123 Fibonacci extension, this drop-based drop zone. So I'm hoping that this really is the end of a correction and that we're already starting a brand new downtrend. Like I said, we do have to be a little cautious that it could be a correction to this last wave up, but right now it's looking fairly good. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we have our Fibonacci retracement on this last move up right here. Like I said, this move down could be a correction to this move up. So if it goes down to a fib level and makes like a really impulsive move up, then you definitely should probably get out of your shorts and even think about going long again. If it goes down to a Fibonacci level, doesn't break structure to the upside, but continues to make lower lows, lower highs, and then eventually takes out this low, I think that's the proof that we need to say that the wave B really is over. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So I would be looking for shorts right now. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. I would only be looking to go short on pullbacks. But I would also at the same time be watching these Fibonacci retracement levels. If we get like that double bottom, that 3, 4, 5 shape, and with a break of structure, I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again, because this is either a wave A or 1, this is either a wave B or 2, and this is either a wave 3 or a C. If it is a wave C, then it potentially will break structure at a Fibonacci level. If it's a wave 3, then it will just continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and we'll just continue to go short every single chance we get. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.